y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is sort of a behind the scenes, more so how I prepare for a photo shoot. So if you didn't know, I do some plus size modeling on the side for Chic Soul and then another company, which you'll see that video coming very soon. The last time I went to Chic Soul was earlier this month, and I figured I would film kind of how I prepare to do this photo shoot, which means nails and tanning and all of that kind of stuff. So hopefully you enjoy this type of video. I'll also throw in some pictures and videos from our shoot that day. And if you do like these kinds of videos, then let me know and we can most certainly keep them coming. So now let's rewind to earlier this month. Welcome to Wednesday. So what we're gonna do first is a little bit of waxing. Y'all saw me use this kit in a vlog not long ago. And we're just gonna do my lip and my chin, and then we're gonna pluck a couple of eyebrow hairs. Typically what I'll do, is go when I'm getting a manicure or a pedicure and just get them to wax. But even though our state has reopened, nail salons, hair salons, all that kind of stuff, I don't know if I'm ready yet to go into a nail salon. That would have been part of this video as well, getting a pedicure and a manicure and that sort of thing. But I don't know, the more I thought about it, I know that they're super clean and they're required to be super clean. It's just, at this point, it's about comfort, and I'm not ready to go in there and do that yet. We will get a spray tan, which is obviously not person-to-person contact, so we'll do a spray tan from a booth, not a person. But in the meantime, it is Wednesday, and we need to do a little bit of waxing. So these are the big ones. I don't know why I have a gazillion body wax strips. I found them in my drawer. I liked them when we used them last time. So like I mentioned, we'll do the lip and the chin. I am doing this 2 days ahead of time. I'm just going to cut these because I don't need them that big. I'm doing this part 2 days ahead of time because my face is very sensitive. You can tell it's got a lot of redness in it, and I want this to die down before I get a spray tan later today. And I'm doing the spray tan. I'll show you, obviously, when we go and do all that stuff. But I'm doing the spray tan on Wednesday night, tonight, because I want to give it a chance. I'll do it tonight. I'll sleep in it, and then I'll rinse tomorrow morning, which is Thursday. And then Friday morning, I'll take a full-on shower, soap, all that kind of stuff. And that way, whenever I put on the clothes that they asked me to wear, I don't want to transfer any of that fake tan, because that's gross and I think it's unprofessional to leave like dirty marks on clothes and stuff. So I want it to be rubbed off all the way. All right, I got my mirror here, and we're gonna start. Let's do the chin. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Okay, we're just gonna speed this up so that you don't hear me just complain the whole time. This will definitely die down. I just have, like I mentioned, such sensitive skin. I have this little wipe all over my hands. It's the perfect finishing wipes. Basically, it just gets all of the extra wax and stuff off. All right, so this is done. We're gonna let this sit for a few hours, and then hopefully, I have somewhere to go at like 1 o'clock today. It's early in the morning right now. Hopefully this is died down. I'm not putting makeup on, but you know what I'm saying. Hopefully this has died down, and I will see you when we get a spray tan. It's officially time for our spray tan. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's more like 4:30. I was gonna go way later, but the place where I go is closing early. I guess with everything that's going on and their soft reopening type thing, they're not gonna be open normal business hours like they usually are. So I'm gonna go ahead and go right now. I have already taken a shower. I've shaved my legs, I've shaved my armpits. I'm just wearing a loose t-shirt and a loose pair of shorts because on the way out, I don't want anything that's tight or restricting or that's gonna potentially rub off the spray tan. I also tan in just a thong. I wear a black thong every single time I tan. Works fine for me. I'm wearing a bra in there because I have to check in and talk to someone, but I won't wear it on the way out. Again, so that I don't run the risk of rubbing off the spray tan or anything. So I shave right before I go get spray tans, and I've never had an issue in the past. I know a lot of people say shave and exfoliate the night before, but I've always done it, with the exception of maybe the first time ever. I've always shaved right before I go in, and I've never had a problem. So I'm going to ask for the darkest possible and see what happens. I didn't put moisturizer on my body with the exception of my face. They do have blending lotion that you can use to put on your elbows, your wrists, your hands, your ankles, your feet, all of that stuff, your knees. But they do say put it on your face as well, but I have such sensitive skin that I don't want to do that. So I just used my big tub of CeraVe lotion, I guess, moisturizer. I don't know. That's what I used because, as you saw, I waxed my face this morning and it's not as red right now, but y'all, it was red for such a long time. And I was like, oh no, did I just mess myself up? Okay, time to get a perfect tan. This is an easy two-step process. Okay, I'm home. This is what I look like afterwards. I don't really look much different. So I asked and paid for the darkest tan that they had, the darkest cartridges and stuff. But to be honest, from my experience, it should be a little bit darker right now. God, my feet are stained, which it's not ideal when I've probably got to try on shoes on Friday, like for pictures and stuff. So I'm a little bit, you know, there's that aspect that everything wasn't cleaned properly, and that's not a good feeling when, you know, you're going out for the first time since all this stuff is going on. So I guess we'll let it develop. Obviously, it says don't shower for 4 hours. I will most likely sleep in it. It's about 5:30 right now. 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. You know what? I may shower before I go to bed just so that I don't sleep in it and get all, because I'm a little sticky sweaty right now. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, happy Thursday. So I did wait and shower until this morning. I didn't have any issue of the tan transferring to my white bed sheets. All that was fine. So my thoughts this morning, my legs are the tannest thing on my body, which I like that a lot. They're still not as tan as I thought they would be, getting the darkest of the dark and then adding bronzer on top of it. So what we may do tonight is take some of that Jergens self-tan mousse that I have and even everything out. My arms look pretty good, though they're not super tan. My chest, you can still see the outline of my suntan. So this area is a little pale and this area is a little bit tan. So we may do that tonight, but before then, we're gonna get together and do our nails. I don't know if I'm gonna do my nails or just a pedicure type thing, but I have this color, which is really pretty. It's Essie in the shade Fiji, and I think it's really pretty. This is just a clear top coat. So I did wash my face last night before I went to bed because I didn't want it to sit there all night long. What else was I gonna tell you? Oh, my feet. So last night when I came home, when my tan was still pretty fresh, I got in the shower, scrubbed the bottom of my feet with soap and water and a little scrubby foot thingy, and the discoloration came off. So I'm happy about that. So now I'm just gonna work for the day, and then I'll see you a little bit later when we decide to do nails. Do I look tanner? Because I don't feel like I really do. Okay, I forgot to start recording, but I'm giving myself a pedicure right now. We're doing this color. I'm not very good at it, but listen, hopefully we won't have anything close up. And just like that, we're ready to leave the house. So it's Friday morning, about 9:20. I need to get on the road in about 10 minutes. I didn't bore you with hair and makeup because I feel like I just did that for a get ready with me. So I'll link the get ready with me down below if you want to see all the products and how I do this look. My outfit, I am wearing a pair of gold and tan sandals from Target. The jeans are from Tea for the Soul, love them. And then this yellow top is from Chic Soul. I did pack a bag too, so I wanted to show you what I take with me and why. So I've got hairspray and, what is that called? Oh my gosh, dry shampoo, because I did do my own hair and makeup. I also have all of my makeup in this bag. I brought an extra water, just because I like to have it. And then since I am traveling, I brought some Clorox disinfecting wipes because I'll need to get gas and stuff like that. We've got some deodorant, a little suction cup for my phone, and then these are the Shaper Mint high-waisted nude colored shapewear. Now this isn't quite cooled off yet, but I'm gonna put it in there just in case I need to touch up my hair and makeup so that I have everything I need. I also have a hand sanitizer and a water. This will sit in the front with me, and then I brought a couple different lip options so that they could kind of tell me what they wanted me to wear. I'm also wearing nude colored underwear and a bra. I feel like that's worth mentioning. Nude to me, so it's like a light tan. That way, no matter what they put me in, you can't see any undergarments through the outfits. So I'll link down below. They're both from Elaine Bryant. I'll link them both down below. One last potty break before I go. Brian gets off early today, so it won't be long before he's home. Happy Thursday. I'm here with a new arrival dress. This is called the Underwater Adventure Dress in Jade. Y'all, happy weekender sale day. Today, weekender tanks are on sale for 18 bucks. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And like I mentioned in the beginning, if you like these sort of behind the scenes, how I prepare vlog type videos, comment down below and we can most certainly keep them coming. So thanks again for watching and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.